What it do, y'all? It's Bracelet, and I be slaying shit. Hey, I be slaying shit. What it do? Today I'm coming at you with a Ulta haul, y'all. I went and racked up on some lip colors today, and I want y'all to see what I got. I went into Ulta, and I was just like, y'all, I need to update my makeup kit. And when I got there, y'all, I got a huge ass surprise, which I'm gonna be sharing with y'all at the end of this video. So make sure y'all stay tuned so y'all can catch all the tea, period. But without further ado, let's get right into it.
Choose your fighter. Slightly inspired. Fight.
about this or hear this, that you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night.
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
I made it because listen, my lips are clearly stained, as you can see. And they hurt because I've been having to wipe this off and put another lipstick back on and wipe it off again and put another lipstick back on. Y'all better be glad I love y'all, okay? Y'all better be glad I love the fuck out of y'all because listen, my lips are dying. But yes, so I said I had some tea for y'all at the end of this video, and here go the tea. Are y'all listening? You got your ears turned on? So all of those lipsticks that I got from Ulta, Dose of Colors, were $4 each. Y'all, Dose of Colors is 75% off at Ulta right now. So if you have a local Ulta, y'all better get there now, sis. I don't know if Dose of Colors is going out of business or what the case is, but their lipsticks are regular price $18, y'all. $18. And I paid $4 each. That's why I racked up like that. Because sis wasn't finna go in no store and pay no $18 each for no Dose of Color lipsticks. Do you hear me? Unless she wanted to send me some. And that's just real. But yes, y'all go get y'all Dose of Colors at your local Ultas. I'm not sure if Dose of Colors has that same sale on their website, whatever. I don't know. But I know Ulta has it. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in with me and vibing out with me today. Hey. I had fun with y'all. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so that y'all can be notified anytime your girl posts any type of new videos on here. Hey. So we can vibe out together, okay? Hey, let's vibe out. Hey, let's vibe out. But yes, again, thank you so much. I really love y'all, and I will see y'all the next video.